Hi friends, welcome back. All right, today we are doing the next page in our number book. Remember our number book? You had your cover page, my 0 to 5 book, and your name, and a picture of the short bead stair. Page number 1, you had the number 0, and 0 means nothing. Yesterday we made the number 1, and we filled in 1 square on the 10 frame. And we found other ways to represent 1. And I hope that you drew something down here that represents 1. Today we are doing the next number. And the next number is the number 2. All right, let's find different ways to represent the number 2. So we have the numeral 2. It looks like this. And we have the word 2. So if you were reading a book and they were talking about 2 beautiful flowers, you would see this word, two, T-W-O. 2 is a really confusing word because there are 3 different ways to write 2, but the number 2 looks like this, T-W-O. Now, the 10 frame, remember, has 10 squares, 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. We are going to fill in 2 squares with our beans. 1, 2. 2 squares. 2. 1, 2. And we're going to put them right next to each other. And then visually you can see that you only have 3 left in 5. But then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left that don't have a bean. 2. Here's 1 golden bead, 2 golden beads, 2. Here's the 2 from the short bead stair. 1, 2. This is the number rod for 2. 1, 2. And finally, there are 2 racks. And maybe those 2 racks were found by the river. 2. Could I do this? 1. How many more would I need to make 2? How many more crayons? Yes, 1 more. Now I have 2. I had 1 and I added 1 more and now I have 2. All right, friends, I'm going to move this over. I would like you to think of something that you have 2 of in your house that you can draw in your book when we are finished. Please get out your book. Let's look at our title page, My 0 to 5 book. 0 means nothing. 1. Make sure that you're on the back of the 1 page. And we are going to make the number 2. Please watch how we make the number 2. We're going to go up to the top line, down to the baseline, and pull to the right. Here we go. We're going to start here and we're going to go up toward the top of the book. Curve, go down to the baseline and pull to the right. There's the numeral 2. And what's cool about the numeral 2 is that there's a beginning to the 2 and an end to the 2. 1, 2. Pretty cool. 2. Here's the word 2. It's spelled T, top line to the baseline, pick it up, cross it over, W, dotted line, to the baseline, to the dotted line, to the baseline, to the dotted line, T, W, O, 2. 2. And we can draw color, 2 golden beads, and we're going to put those golden beads right below each other. 2 golden beads, and we need 2 green beads from the short bead stair. 1, and we're going to put these right next to each other. 2, and make your little loops that connect them. 2, and we're going to make the number rod 2. We have 1 red rectangle or prism. That's kind of a pink color. And 1 blue. All right. That's 2. 1, 2. And we will make our 10 frame. All right. Make sure you're watching and following along. Make a long line. Make a short line about the width of 2 fingers. And connect those. You should have 1 rectangle with strong pointy vertices. We need 1 line, finger space, 2 lines, finger space, 3 lines, finger space, 4 lines. All right. Now I should have 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to make these spaces into 2 spaces, so we're going to go right in the middle and make a line going across. Way to go. All right. Please fill in 2 squares with circles. 1 or dots. 1, 2, 2. Okay, and let's see. I think I will make 2 rocks while I think about what else I'm going to make that represents 2. Okay, I want you to think about something in your house that you have 2 of. Ooh, could you draw 2 eyes? Yeah. 2 ears? 2 nostrils? 2 hands? Yes. All right, so 2. Wherever you have space on your 2 page, make sure you stay on this page. Please draw something else to represent 2. You could even draw your 2 crayons. Oh, where did my other crayon go? I think I put it away. You could draw 2 crayons. Draw something different and make sure that you draw those 2 items on your 2 page. And we will see you next time for the next number in our book. If we have 2 and we add 1 more, what is 1 more than 2? 3. All right, see you then.